the Beauchart 13YH-HA complete hydrant head for the Plumbeeze and Beauchart yard hydrants. Now this is the complete head, so it comes with the handle, lever bolt, hose thread adapter, connector. Also comes with the clevis rod, packing nut, and the packing washers are installed right inside of that packing nut. Now this head also comes with this little key, I guess you could call it. Now what this piece is a locking mechanism. So just as an example, say you need that handle to stay right here, but you know, with gravity of course that handle is going to fall. What you can do, take that little handle or key, thread that right into that opening on the side of the head. Make sure it gets nice and tight, and then once that is secure, that handle is not going to fall. We'll go ahead and get a couple dimensions of the head, starting with an outer and inner diameter here at the base. So with this connector in the way, it'll be a little bit difficult, but outer diameter showing right at about 1.25 inches. Then inner diameter is going to be right at just right at about 1 inch. And then we can also measure the total height from the base all the way up to the top of the head casting. Now when I make this measurement, I'm only going to the bottom of this hex portion at the base of the head, right up to right here at the top of the casting. So from the base to the very top, so we're just shy of 6 inches, probably right at about 5 15/16. It is right there on the edge. And once again, this is the Beauchart 13YH-HA complete hydrant head.